Hi friends. So today in this tutorial we are going to see copy column transformation in SSIS. So what is copy column transformation in SSIS? It's basically used to duplicate the source column. Okay, just like copying a column and pasting the exact data into a new column. So we usually know, right? So even if you're opening the Excel file, you just want to make a copy of data. Then what you will do, simply copy the respective column and you will paste that into different cell in the Excel, correct? The same approach only. Let's see. So in this tutorial, I'm going to load data from CSV file to SQL Server table by copying first name and last name columns. So after loading our data, we will be having two more columns in the SQL Server table. Okay. So for understanding purpose, for example, this I'm having this Excel file, whatever here I am highlighted, this Excel file I saved in my local drive. So after loading this CSV file, the data will be looks like, okay, this is the table we are going to load. So the whatever column we present in the CSV file will get loaded into our target SQL Server table. Once after we using copy column transformation, how the result will be look like, I am showcasing you. See, copy of first name I just used copy of last name. So guys, when you will use copy column transformation in real time scenario, for example, you are going to use one column, where then that column you are going to do multiple operations. Okay, so without affecting the source data, you want to do multiple operations. Then finally you want to store those data into one of the column. Okay, so in that time you can use this copy of column transformation. And also here for example, we are just using the first name we are taking, and also the last name, copy of last name column we are just taking. Okay, let's see how we can perform. I will showcase the CSV file presented. This is the CSV file I stored in my Excel. Sorry, not this. This is the CSV file, correct? So this is having this many data. I'm having 100 records because by ignoring header, you have 100 records, correct? We are going to load the data to SQL Server table, okay, by copying the first name and last name column. Okay, so let's see how we can perform. So opening creating says package I'm creating package name. So using data pro task drag and drop double click and source you have to design flat file source. To load CSV pair data, you have to use Flatfed Connection Manager, create new connection manager. So select the CSV files. So this is the CSV file we are going to load to SQL Server. Okay, then check the columns. All are okay. Now see advanced columns. If you see all are in string format, correct? So just verify all are in string format. Okay, then once we loaded the data into table, right? So this string only need to okay, click OK. Okay. Now given the destination, you have to load data to SQL Server table. Drag and drop to the destination. Before that, before loading, you want to make copy of column first name and last name, correct? So that do the transformation of copy column. Go the connections from flatware source to copy column. Double click copy column, first name and last name. See, copy of first name, copy of last name. If you want to change the last name, you can change it. Click OK. Now select the destination, create new connection manager, or SQL Server. Click Microsoft ONADB driver for SQL Server, server name. Provide the server name. and select the database name. Just the correction was succeeded. Click OK. Now I don't have any table. I'm just creating newly. So when you are creating, right? So if you see copy of column finally included. So all are in varchar type because of while loading data from CSV file, it will be varchar only, correct? So that's why I'm just creating the table name what I want. I will use the table name I want to give. See the table name table already not present in the table server. Okay. So at the columns already columns mapped. Okay. Click OK. Now save and run the package. So basically failed. Why means if you see the progress, you come to know what is the error because cannot open the data file. So because why this is happening, I open the file. You have to close the file. Okay, now just go data flow and run one more time. Okay, 100 rows transferred. Just to go and check the table created and data loaded are see copy of first name and last name has been created. So this is the final output. Okay, guys, I hope you understand this how you can work on copy column transformation. So if you like, then please subscribe. Also, please question me if you have any doubt. Comment me. I'm there to help you. Thank you so much.